In the control plan, we describe the characteristics that need to be measured. These characteristics are established during the design process and indicated on the drawing. All characteristics are marked on the drawing using balloons. This ballooning process can be very time-consuming when done by hand. All characteristics need to be entered with the tolerances. In the next step, all these characteristics need to be entered into the control plan, in the CMM, and in the SPC software. This process can be completely automated. The Elias ballooning software adds the balloons automatically and has the list of characteristics available. This list of characteristics can be exported to a PRF file. This PRF file can be imported into the control plan. To import the PRF file, you first need to open the control plan. Then you select the File menu and select Import Characteristics from PRF File. When you select the PRF file, the characteristics are automatically imported into an internal table as shown in the screen. The table contains the data for 3 columns of the control plan: the characteristic number, the characteristic name, and the specification. The import table offers a solution to add the content for the other columns. To automatically add content for the other fields, you can select a default set or you can create a new set. To create a new set, click the Add Edit Default Set. The list of data sets will appear and you can edit or add a data set. When you add a new data set, the data entry window appears and you can enter a name of a set and enter the content for all the fields. When you have selected the correct data set, you can assign the characteristics to the right process step and machine field. First, you select a process step. If that process step has more than one machine field, you also need to select the machine field. Then you can mark the characteristics which need to be assigned to that process step and machine field. When you press OK, the characteristics will be assigned. The already assigned characteristic will be removed from the table and you can continue to assign the remaining characteristics to the other steps and machines. When you are done, you can close the windows and save the control plan.